is Majesty, but you can call me Madge. And today we will be doing a Get Ready With Me, Bring It On edition. And I'm super excited. I mean, Bring It On is one of my favorite movies. I love Gabrielle Union so much.
Gabrielle, if you're watching this, hi.
Halloween is in a couple of days, and Amazon does have express shipping. So if any of you guys want to recreate this look, I'm using drugstore makeup.
Super easy, super cheap.
I got my costume on Amazon. So you'll be able to find that easily. I will show you guys how I go from this to this. All right, let's get started. We're starting out with a bare face, very sparse eyebrows. I think I should do a voiceover for this. All right, so I'm starting out using Total Control Foundation from NYX. Also, I'm using a brush from NYX because why not? They're reliable. So the foundation shade that I'm using is called Mocha, and I just love this foundation. It's my go-to. It feels so lightweight to me. Like, I feel like I'm not even wearing any makeup. I love it, and I feel like it just blends really nicely. It's not super heavy and cakey on my face. Next step, eyebrows. So I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. As you can tell, I barely have eyebrows to begin with. I do not have a specific technique for brows. All I really do is I just try to frame whatever sparse hairs are there, and I cross my fingers and see what happens. And honestly, I think because I am so bald in the brow, whenever I put eyebrows on, they're really dark and thick to begin with, and I don't like it like that, as you could see. So when I go too heavy, I just take a foundation brush and just brush some of it off, and I end up liking those results a lot better. Next, I'm using NYX Ultimate Edit Palette. I am using the brownest shade, and I'm just putting it on my lower eyelids. There are beauty gurus on here. I already know I probably already did a lot of makeup no-goes, so before I get jumped for using my fingers, I don't know if that's allowed, I'm gonna go get a brush, okay? This brush is from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna go get that, okay? I'm back. Oops. All right. So I'm just putting it on my lid. Next, I'm taking this nice corally color and I'm just putting it above my crease. This part is not necessary. I just like that color. I like how subtle it is. And next, my favorite, I'm using this green shadow by Maybelline. And honestly, I've never worn green eyeshadow before. I'm just wearing it for the whole costume, the whole getup, and I fell in love with it. Like, yeah, it's drugstore makeup. As you can see, it kind of smears a little bit, but what can you expect? Like, it was like $2. I really love the green color. I just put it on my lower lid. It is a little bit messy. I put some foundation underneath my eyes just because I did notice I had some green eyeshadow under my eye. I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara. So this mascara, I've never used it before until now, and honestly, it's okay. It's a little too wet, so it was really hard for me to keep everything clean. I had to give my eyelashes kind of a long time to dry, but it got the job done. I mean, like, it's mascara.
And here it is. Obviously, it's not the highest quality, but I'm not stressing.
Let's pretend this is lip liner. I love using dark lip liner. I ran out of lip liner, so don't judge me.
And NYX lip gloss. I love this lip gloss so much. The color shade is called Rocky.
I'm using some lip gloss from the hair store. the whole look. So I just wanted to curl my hair a little bit, you know, get a little spruced up. I don't like my curls super tight, but I just did it like that because I know inevitably they're going to fall. Got a little gold headband, you know. Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. I use this for my edges. Here's a sneak peek. All right, yes. Ooh, blowing kisses. Okay, now I'm excited and it's time for the big reveal. All right, so I was really feeling myself. I've always wanted to be a cheerleader, so I kind of got to live out my dreams for like 30 minutes. It was nice. I was literally just jumping around. I was doing cartwheels in my room. I was just feeling myself. And thank you guys so much for watching. I wish I could have learned one of the cheers. I tried. I swear I tried. I just don't have like good coordination and I can't really dance, so it was tough. What you saw in that video is as good as it's gonna get, and it wasn't even that good. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe if you liked it, or if you like Bring It On. Share with friends that appreciate the work of art that Bring It On is. Share it with a friend that you think would really kill this costume. And definitely subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up. I've got some video ideas and we'll go from there. I'm not a pirate. Why did I say it like that? We'll go from there. Have a happy Halloween. Have a happy... Honestly, the word happy, it's such a tricky word. It's 2020. It really is 2020. Oh my God. I wish you the best. I wish us all the best. Oh my God, November 3rd is coming up. I wish us all the best with that. This is a little PSA. If you're still watching, go vote, because it is so important. So important. If you're watching after November 3rd, yeah, that's about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see what I have coming up next. All right, bye.